Are you having problems installing your porcelain paver projects? Are you losing customers because you do not know how to install porcelain pavers? Hardscape.com is not only the manufacturer and supplier of hardscape porcelain pavers, we focus on educating our customers on how to properly install these products. We have developed and perfected proper guidelines for an aggregate-based porcelain paver installation for vehicular traffic, utilizing our large format 3 cm porcelain pavers and our 2 cm pedestrian-rated porcelain pavers. We offer free certification classes to contractors, builders, resellers, architects, and end users of our porcelain pavers. When you become a Hardscape.com certified installer, you will be able to offer a 15-year product warranty to your clients and be sure you are properly installing our products. Contact us today to learn how you can become a Hardscape.com certified installer.